Hello guys, so I was doing the video of transforming this desert temple, but I accidentally stopped recording because I accidentally double tapped on this and then I accidentally pressed on the stop button. So this is what they've done. So this thing is supposed to push you, and then this is gonna get you, and TNT is supposed to fall on your head and kill you. Because I didn't want to destroy anything. There's some stairs. And he was actually promising solve by just doing this. But now I have to okay. Does it work now? Nope. You have to make this even slower. Okay, I'm gonna try to make it slower. Okay, so let's see if it works now. No. Wait. Why does this spacing get activated so early? Oh yeah, I think it's better for. Wait, does it work actually? Does it actually work now? Ah, who cares? At least it pushes you here so you step hard. Okay, now I'm trying to make this be. What we do is break it and you know. So I try to make it hard. Like I don't know why. I'm gonna be here all day trying to think. So what I did is if you break any of the our blocks, you're dead. So that's what normal people do. They never just break the central one. And so they break one of the other ones and then they drop it. But did that. Don't know what really to what to make it like more redstone. Oh, I have an idea. So this hopefully if you take everything out of this trance, it will trigger this. And boom. You blow up. Because it's gonna be connected to the TNT. Okay, this looks kind of obvious, but somebody might fall for it. And they destroyed the pressure plate just so you. I think that's actually quite done because it doesn't have really that much. Okay, wait. Oops. Okay. So now this is gonna be kind of roleplay, this part of this. But how did they manage to mess it up? Oh god. Okay. Oh, there's a temple. Let's see. Ooh. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. Whoa. Better get Robin. Was an observer. Whoa. Oh. Why? Well, hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, leave a like. And I'm so sorry for not uploading videos that lately, but I can't do this, so hope you enjoyed this. Why I'm saying this twice, but we hope that you enjoy because it wasn't really that much. Because the other temple are not that much like to work. with. But I still hope you enjoy it, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, of course. And goodbye. And goodbye to you too, sheep.